Seeking a stylish and practical SUV that doesn't break the bank? Look no further than the 2024 FAW Bastoon T55. With its sleek design, comfortable interior, and budget-friendly price tag, the T55 is the perfect blend of value and style. Are you ready to experience the T55 for yourself? In the bustling world of compact SUVs, the 2024 FAW Bastoon T55 emerges as a compelling contender, offering a blend of style, practicality, and affordability that's sure to turn heads. With a starting price estimated around AED 68,000, roughly $18,500, the T55 takes aim at budget-conscious buyers seeking a stylish and capable SUV without breaking the bank. The T55's design language exudes a modern and sporty vibe, with its sleek lines, bold grille, and sharp LED headlights. Inside, the cabin is surprisingly spacious and well-appointed, offering comfortable seating for 5 and a decent amount of cargo space. The infotainment system is up-to-date and easy to use, and a suite of driver assistance features provides added peace of mind. Under the hood, the T55 is powered by a 1.5L turbocharged gasoline engine that delivers a respectable 167 horsepower and 258 Nm of torque. While it won't win any drag races, the engine provides ample power for everyday driving and highway cruising. The T55 comes standard with front-wheel drive, and there's no word on whether an all-wheel drive option will be available. In the competitive compact SUV segment, the T55 faces stiff competition from established players like the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, MG ZS, Honda HR-V, and Nissan Kicks. However, the T55's combination of style, features, and affordability makes it a strong value proposition for those seeking a stylish and practical SUV without overspending. If you're in the market for a compact SUV that doesn't compromise on style or substance, the 2024 FAW Bastoon T55 deserves a spot on your shortlist.